I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no.
All right, folks, buckle up, because this one is pure courtroom chaos. We've got yet another sovereign citizen rolling into court with the usual bag of nonsense. This woman insists she's not a citizen, she's a non-resident alien, and the law doesn't apply to her because apparently reality is optional in her world. The judge is trying to have a straightforward hearing over one simple thing, driving without insurance, but this defendant is acting like she's auditioning for a legal conspiracy documentary. Instead of giving a clear yes or no about whether she...
For the record, please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up-to-date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with a plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Even has insurance. She launches into rambling speeches about trusts, contracts, and all caps names. Folks, this isn't a debate team. It's a courtroom. Either you have insurance or you don't. Period. The judge, calm as can be, tries to break it down. Ma'am, if you're driving a car on public roads in Michigan, you need insurance. Seems pretty simple, right? But no, instead of answering, she orders the judge, yes, orders the judge, to dismiss her entire case because, according to her, the court is actually...
Your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate...
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
Her trustee. Who even comes up with this stuff? It's like she's playing Monopoly while everyone else is in real life. And the best part? She actually believes saying, "I'm making a special appearance," will magically make the charges disappear. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. Now here's where things spiral even further into the twilight zone. The judge sets another hearing, and sure enough, the woman doubles down. This time, she claims she's only appearing as an authorized representative of herself, like she's her own lawyer, accountant, and body double all rolled into one.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vieira Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vieira Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney, in fact.
The judge asks the most basic question. Where is the actual person who got the ticket? And instead of answering, she hides behind this act, insisting the court has no jurisdiction and demanding the case be discharged. At this point, it's like watching someone argue with gravity. No matter how hard they try, they're still going to fall. The judge finally cuts through the circus. If the actual defendant doesn't show up, a warrant will be issued. And just like that, the sovereign citizen's
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC.
John
I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vieira Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? John Vieira Williams, are you present twice? John Vieira Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance
on
the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vieira Williams, the agent.
Okay. So John Vieira Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Vieira Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vieira Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Fantasy crashes into reality. What kills me is how convinced she is that tossing around random legal phrases like attorney in fact or trustee will trick the court into bowing down. But here's the truth. No judge is buying it, and certainly not this one. The judge stayed calm, stayed professional, and made it crystal clear. You can't out-talk the law. You need insurance, period. End of story. So what do you think? Did this judge handle it the right way by keeping her cool? Or should she have slammed the gavel a little harder on all this nonsense? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy watching sovereign citizen logic crumble in real time, stick around. We've got plenty more where this came from.